In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert emoji to PDF in I Love PDF. First, you'll want to begin by opening the eMove PDF website. This is crucial because it's the platform that allows you to easily convert emoji files into PDF format. Once the web page loads, you will see a clean and user-friendly interface. The design is intuitive, making it seamless for you to navigate. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This initial step is essential as it sets the stage for the conversion process. Next, you will need to select the option labeled JPG to PDF. This is an important step because it specifically targets the type of conversion you want to perform. Clicking on this option will redirect you to a new page dedicated to converting JPG files into PDFs. Here you will notice various features that enhance your experience, such as upload options and settings adjustments. It is reassuring to know that you are in the right place for your task. From there, click on the button that says Select JPG Images or drag your image files into the upload area. You will see a pop-up or an open window that allows you to browse through your files. This is a straightforward action, but it is significant because you are now choosing the images you want to convert. Dragging and dropping is also an option if you prefer a quicker method. Either way, ensure you select the correct files. Once done, you will see the images appearing in the upload area, confirming that they are ready for conversion. Now it's time to arrange the images in the order you want. This step may seem minor, but it carries great importance. The sequence of your images will determine how they appear in the final PDF. You can simply click and drag each image to rearrange them. Take a moment to ensure that the order reflects your intended layout. This attention to detail will save you from confusion later on and create a coherent document. After organizing your images, you will need to adjust the settings. Start with the page size, where you can choose from options like A4 or letter. This choice is crucial because it impacts how your document will print and display. Next, select the orientation, either portrait or landscape, based on how you want your images to be viewed. These settings can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your final PDF. Also, consider adjusting the margin size for added aesthetics. Lastly, you can set the image position, ensuring your images are centered or aligned as you prefer. This is your chance to fine-tune the document to your liking. Once you have made all the necessary adjustments, click the Convert to PDF button. This action is significant as it initiates the conversion process. You will see a progress bar indicating that the files are being processed. This reassurance lets you know that your images are on their way to becoming a PDF. Just a moment of patience is all it takes. Finally, after the conversion is complete, click Download PDF to save the converted file. This step wraps up the entire process, and you will receive a prompt to save the document to your device. Make sure to choose a location where you can easily find your file later. This little step ensures that all your hard work is preserved. Once the download is complete, you can open your PDF and admire your newly created document. Congratulations, you have successfully converted images to PDF using I Love PDF.